Hello guys, sa video ito ay i-discuss ko paano integrate yung ganitong formula. So anong formula? Integration of 4x plus 1 squared dx. Mag-assign tayo ng u substitution ng variable u 4x plus 1. And then derivative du is derivative ng 4x ay 4 dx, and then divide by both sides, so du over 4 is equals dx. So meron na tayong dx, value ng dx, and then substitute na lang natin u ay equal sa u squared ito, and then dx ay equal sa du over 4. So ilalabas natin yung 4, which is magiging 1 over 4 integration of u squared du. So i-integrate na natin, pwede na siya ma-integrate. So u2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, and then 1 over 4 multiplied by u cube, and then 3 plus c. So magiging u cube over 3 times 4 is 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, and 12. So 12 plus c, and then substitute natin yung value ng u, which is 4x plus 1. So 1 over 12, iiwalay ko lang 4x plus 1 cube plus c, and then ito na yung sagot. Next is ito, dx over 2x minus 7 to the power 4. First ay mag-i-use substitution tayo. U is equal sa 2x minus 7, and then derivative du is equals, derivative ng 2x ay 2 dx, multiply both sides, magiging du over 2 dx. So multiply ko lang both sides ng 2 I mean not multiply, divide both sides then. And then substitute na natin, dx ay du over 2. Itong 2x minus 7 ay u to the power 4, and then pwede natin itong ilabas yung 2, 1 over 2. So, and then yung u ay iakyat natin sa numerator, which is magiging u negative 4, and then pwede na natin ma-integrate. So u negative 4 plus 1, negative 4 plus 1, so 1 half multiplied by u negative 3 over negative 3 plus c. Ayan. So itong u negative 3, ibababa natin siya. So magiging and then multiply itong dalawa, which is magiging negative 1 over 6. 3 times 2, 6. U ay 2x minus 7. 2x minus 7. And then 3 plus c. Cube pala. So, negative 1 over 6. 6 times 2x minus 7 cube plus c. So, ito na yung sagot. Next ay itong fraction. Paano naman kapag ganito? So, ang gagawin natin dyan ay same pa rin. Mag-i substitution. U 4y plus a. So, derivative du over 4 dy, and then divide both side by 4, magiging du over 4 is equal sa dy. And then pwede natin siyang i-substitute. So dy is equal sa du over 4, and then and then yung u ay u 2 over 3 to the power of 2 over 3. Ito, pwede natin siyang ilabas sa integration. So, magiging 1 over 4 integration of, and then yung u ay pwede natin siyang iakyat. So, magiging u negative 2 over 3 para ma-integrate natin siya, and then pwede na siya ma-integrate plus yung 1 dito, yung 1 ay equivalent siya sa 3 over 3 sa denominator. So bali ito lang yung ano nyo, ito lang yung palatandaan nyo. So 2, 3 plus 3 over 3, and then 1/4 multiplied by u 1/2. Negative 2 over 3 plus 3 over 3 magiging 1/2, and then hindi pala 1/2, I'm sorry. So 1/3, and then 1/3. So may gagawin pa tayo dito. Ibababa natin tong u, and then ito ay hindi pa rin nakaayos. So multiply natin yung numerator at denominator ng 3 over 1, kabaliktaran lang ng 1 over 3. 3 over 1. So ito ay makakancel, at magiging 3 over 4, 3 times 1, 3 over 4, and then yung u ay u over 1/3 plus c. So hindi pa ito yung sagot. Substitute na natin yung u, which is 3 over 4. So 3 over 4, 4y plus a 1/3 raised to 1/3 plus c. So ito na yung magiging sagot. So that is all for my video. Thank you.